First of all, thank you so much for your time and for being here. Thank you. So I just started maybe a couple of weeks ago, and I wanted to ask you, like, when you were brand new to the business and you didn't know how to do trade at all, so what would be your recommendation for someone like me or somebody brand new? Like, where would be the starting point, and how would you like to start your training from like scratch?
Okay, for sure. So the way you would start would just be just plug into the basics first, right? Just go through, learn the terminology, right? Because in the academy there's going to be a good amount of information, but they're going to be teaching you different concepts, right? I would say go into the academy, just go through the basics. I think it's 100 series, just so you understand the terminology, the lingo, the verbiage, the vocabulary. And once all that stuff makes sense, then you can just start hopping on to the Go Live sessions. In the steady Go Live sessions, you just go to IM Center, you go to Go Live, you'll go to, you scroll down on Go Live, you go to the products side of Go Live, click on Steady, you'll see John Dollar, you'll see myself. You just click on us and you can watch our favorite sessions, right? We have recorded sessions, there's sessions every other day, so it's just like, you go to the recording sessions and you just start going ham from there. And John has it more strategically laid out, so it's more of like a course style with the live education, because you know, they're all recordings. Mine is just a little bit more like you know, every session I'm just kind of teaching and giving trades. So I don't have it laid out as well as he has it laid out. So I would say John has. Right now it's just Go Live, but really that's it. You just gotta just go through the basics, start plugging in. We'll teach you guys more about how to have a trading plan, right? You need a trading plan, like what you're gonna be doing, what you should be risking, blah blah blah. But once you have your trading plan, you just gotta stay disciplined to those rules, right? And what I recommend is like printing out your trading plan and putting it on your desk or putting it wherever you trade. Put it on the background of your iPhone, whatever it is, right? And just make sure if you're taking a trade, all your rules line up. I'm only taking trades during this time of the day. I'm only taking trades if I have 3 to 5 confirmations. So what are my 3 to 5 confirmations? There's so many different things you can do, right? I'll send you guys an example of a nice trading plan, right? But as long as you stay disciplined and consistent with that, it's just crazy growth because of the risk reward on each trade that they're taking. Just like the stuff we talked about today, right? That's really it. Just plug in and then just get people set up, right? I mean, especially when you guys are like, you know, you're helping people and stuff like that. Just set them up. First 28, 48 hours, like set them up and get them going because the excitement's there, right? Like just a simple walkthrough, just a simple, just show them how to do stuff. Like show people on their MetaTrader how to put a demo account, all the extra stuff. Just play with it. If you give somebody a demo account and just put them in a trade, and just show them how to do it, they're already going to just have fun and play with it. So when you tell them to go in the academy and actually study, they're just going to go ham. Cool. Great question. Thank you.
Awesome, guys. Next, anybody else? Rob, you got a comment up here, brother? We get Rob to ask a question. Let's give Rob a round of applause.
Alright guys, yeah, so definitely that's great to have you in town. We appreciate having you here. I appreciate having you here. So far out of all of for the guys of you that don't know me, I've been trading for 20 years, and the closest strategy to my style of trading out of so far all the educators I've seen in this whole company, Sadie is definitely the closest thing. So we definitely click on so many levels. No, it's true. So like I do respect everything you've said today is accurate, bang on, in line with what I agree. And like with these, like from day one, we've been saying the same thing: risk reward ratio, protect your money. And my question is for you, like, how long do you recommend for a brand new trader to stick with the demo account and to be confident enough to switch over to what is your opinion for trading?
So when you say the demo, are you wanting them to make money? Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, my bad. When it comes down to the demo account aspect, I would say honestly, what I tell like my students to do, like the people that are coming into the organization.
Start and stop it once in a while, so that it's not such a long.
I have them make a live account and a demo account at the same time. I tell them to practice the stuff that they're learning from us in the academy on the demo account, so they're consistent. They're profitable. They can see the trades and stuff like that. But I'll have them follow our trades with their real money, just so they could actually be learning and earning at the same time, right? Because you're still going to follow the risk management even if you're taking the trades. You're still going to make good percentages, risk reward wise. Whether it's like the average trades are like 1 to 6 or 1 to 8 minimum risk reward, right? Some of the more crazy ones go stupid, but So like just I would say just demo wise. I mean it's there's no specific time. It's just how long it takes to feel comfortable. I mean I've seen people demo for a couple weeks and go crazy. I've seen people demo for a year or two and then finally start trading, right? But if you have a solid system and a solid plan, and a good plan and a good strategy, it's cool. A lot of things that in the market that something that's interesting in the market is the fact that the market's always changing and adapting, right? And strategies come and go. I remember having this conversation with Chris Terry. He said in the 1980s, in the early 90s, he said guys would make millions of dollars off the MACD and the RSI, right? Like millions of dollars. He says those same guys, he says they're no longer making money, like they're broke. Like the old things don't work, right? Strategy wise. So with what we've been able to find today, with like just the information that's available, it's like I showed you guys today, right? It's like it's a science. Like this is how the money is moving in the market. This is how it's being manipulated, and you just gotta learn those easy concepts, right? Because most of it is pretty easy, right? But I mean, demoing to live, I always just have them start a live account so they can follow along, and then demo until they're comfortable. There's no, I wouldn't necessarily time it. I mean, they start making money within like the first week or first 2 weeks once they like hop into the trades, right? But I mean, everybody learns at a different pace. It might take you 6 months to get to, or it might take you 6 months to get to the point where you're killing it. It might take the fees 3 months. It might take me 9 months. So it's more of a personal preference. It's just like how fast you can learn type stuff.